it's you! Welcome to the future! The future's great, and you're responsible. You might notice that my figure has never looked better. That's because there's no food. I have 3 favorite flavors of dirt: brown, black, and guacamole. I haven't taken a shit in days. My tan looks great. It's 185 degrees outside, and it never rains. Except for acid. There's loads of hunky guys. But they're all cannibals. See that pile of tires? That's my new house. One of my roommates is a mutated rat. He's 7 feet tall. I'm having major hallucinations. Ooh, dropped a finger. All better. Susie, I'll be honest. It sucks here. And it's all your fault. I mean, my fault. I mean, it's Game Show's fault. Game Show has to end.